Hello everyone, please join me. Let us make the super delicious peanut soup obepa, a must try for everyone. It is super delicious, perfect for pounded yam, perfect for eba, perfect for amala. Name it is a must try. Don't let me talk much. Let's get it started. What I have here are my assorted meat I'll be using today. It's already well washed. I'm just going to add diced onion and diced garlic into it. Feel free to add ginger into it, but I won't be using ginger. But if you love to, please use it. It is your soup. Make sure you boil this meat and let it be yummy. So I will be adding seasoning, salt, black pepper, it's now time to add curry into this. What I have here is fresh oregano, fresh thyme, coriander leaves. So it's now time to get my spoon or spatula and combine everything well. Yes, let it be well mixed together. Now cover and boil without adding water. After 15 minutes, this is what I have. You can see it has started to boil in its own juice, and those ingredients has entered well into those meats you can see there, and the aroma is given already. Yes, try this time. You are going to love the result. After combining well, now add water. Add enough water. Remember, we are cooking peanut soup and we need the meat stock. Now cover and boil till done. That is it. Look at those meats. They are now tender to my taste. Yes, now let me show you what I have. What I have here are the peanuts I'll be using. Yes, I got this at Aldi. You can get it at Penny. You can get it at Lidl. Visit your supermarket, you're going to get this. We call this groundnut back at home. This is roasted groundnut. And I chop them like this. I love to drink curry with it, but this time it's to cook super yummy soup. Yes, with it. Now get your blender, pour that roasted groundnut, the peanut, pour it into your blender. Add onion, bell pepper and tomatoes. I'll be using chili. You can use Habanero pepper. I have chili flakes and that is what I'm using. Now I added water for easy blending and blend till smooth. Now in a pot, I'm going to pour palm oil. You don't need too much palm oil for this. All right, you remember we are using peanuts. Yes, it contains its own oil. That is my blended peanut. I can call this peanut butter. I'm just going to pour it into the palm oil. Don't forget to heat up the palm oil a bit. You don't need to bleach it, just heat it up. Have the blended peanuts into it, and that is the meat stock. Yes, the water we use for boiling the meat. Is now time to add it into it. I'm just going to add this big 2 spoons into it, and I'll keep it for later. I might still add more into it. It depends on the consistency, how you want it to be. If you want it to be thick or you want it to be a bit light. Yes, it depends on how you want it. I've just added some. I'm still going to add more, of course. Now cover and let it cook. Very important. Remember to be opening it occasionally and stir it very well. All right, don't let it get burned. I'm going to add stockfish direct into it. I'm just going to add dried fish as well. I want them to start cooking together with this peanut soup, and I'll be adding roasted fish, that is salmon fish. I added it into the soup, and I'm just going to stir it a bit, be gentle with it. We added loads of fish into it now, and it's now time to make sure that we add our all-purpose seasoning. This is optional. If you have adobo, feel free to use it. I'll be adding seasoning. Yes, no seasoning is that, and I'm going to add salt. Please don't forget we added meat stock that contains salt, and we are still going to use locust beans that contain salt, so be gentle with your salt. Salt to your taste. Now cover and cook very well. This has been cooking on the low to middle heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. All right, and I'm just going to mix it together and still cover and continue cooking. Look at it. It has been cooking for about half an hour to 40 minutes now. Like I've said, occasionally open and stir very well. All right, so I'm going to continue with the remaining ingredients. I have boiled meat that we boiled at the beginning. It's now time to add it into the soup. And what I have here is my locust beans. Yes, this will give it super aroma, super taste, and I heard it is also healthy. Yes, it's very, very healthy for healthy eyes. Now cover and cook again. Look at this. It has been cooking for almost 1 hour. Yes, you have to cook this until you get the perfect result. I will tell you what to look out for it for you to know it is ready. Look at the fish. This one has drank the pepper. I'm just going to add vegetable into it. I'll be using kale. If you have Oziza leaf, if you have ugu, if you have spinach, it doesn't matter. Add your vegetable into this. I'm using kale. This is what I have. If you'll be using spinach, add it much later. But kale, ugu, you can add it now. Oziza, you can add it at this stage. Mix it well and cover and cook until it gives you this. Immediately you notice that the oil is flying on top of the soup, then it is ready. Look out for this oil on top of your groundnut soup, peanut soup, or beba. It is ready. Osejino. Lovely. This is perfect for pounded yam. It is perfect for grease. It is perfect for eba or for amala. Let it cool down a bit. This is what you're going to have. Look at the soup. Look at it. This is super delicious. Let me serve it together with you. I don't need any cutleries for this. Let me wash my hands, and I hope you're going to try this. Tell me, are you going to give this a try? But please, please, please make sure you try this. It is so simple, direct. You will just feel you are eating special egusi. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. I love you all. Thanks for your support. Bye-bye.